Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show how to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. To apply YouTube Partner Program, click Start from the step 1 and accept the base terms. Then hit Accept Terms button. Then it will update automatically. Wait a few seconds. Wait until step 1 is completed. Now you are seeing that our step 1 is done. Then hit start from the step 2. Then select yes, I have an existing account. Then continue. Then select the Gmail at which Google AdSense account has. Then accept association. Accept association. Then Google AdSense account automatically catch up the YouTube channel. Then hit submit. Click redirect. Now you are seeing that in step 2 in progress. And step 2 would be done. Then step 3 automatically will be started. That's all. Thanks for watching.